Welcome to Best Choice. The best Polaris AGL transmission fluid is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining the optimal performance and longevity of your powersports vehicle, ensuring smooth gear shifts and protecting vital transmission parts from wear and tear, especially under demanding off-road conditions where reliability is paramount. This specialized fluid is engineered to meet the rigorous demands of Polaris transmissions, offering superior lubrication and heat dissipation to prevent overheating and component damage, which is essential for riders who push their machines to the limit. Number 5. Polaris PS4 Oil Change Kit 287-9323. Keep your Polaris UTV running smoothly with this all-in-one oil change kit. It contains everything you need for a hassle-free maintenance. Experience superior engine protection with our full synthetic 5W50 oil. Its advanced formula is designed for the highest level of performance in your powersports vehicle. Our custom additive system protects critical engine parts from wear and deposits. It also prevents oxidation in extreme temperatures and guards against rust and corrosion. Enjoy reliable performance in a wide range of temperatures, from -40°F to 100°F. This ensures your engine is protected and its life is extended in any condition. Specifically developed for Polaris Powersports engines, this oil maintains peak performance. It's built to handle the intense conditions and high-performance demands of riders. This comprehensive kit includes 2.5 quarts of PS4 5W50 full synthetic oil, 1 oil filter, and 1 drain plug washer. What we like. This is a complete oil change kit designed for specific Polaris models. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one solution to maintain your engine's health, this is a great choice. It ensures you have the right oil, filter, and washer for a hassle-free service. What people say. This fluid is specifically designed for Polaris ATVs and UTVs, ensuring optimal performance and protection for the transmission. It provides excellent lubrication and cooling, which helps to extend the life of the transmission and prevent overheating. The fluid meets or exceeds OEM specifications, guaranteeing compatibility and reliable operation with your Polaris vehicle. Number 4. Polaris AGL Full Synthetic Gearcase Lubricant. Introducing the Polaris AGL Full Synthetic Gearcase Lubricant. It's specifically designed for the demanding conditions of extreme-duty ATVs and UTVs, ensuring optimal performance. Our full synthetic formula offers superior cold flow protection and high heat shear resistance. This ensures critical components are shielded even under extreme temperatures and heavy loads. Experience outstanding protection and proven performance year-round. It's designed to maintain peak performance in your Polaris off-road vehicle's gearcases and transmissions. The custom additive system protects against chain wear, gear set pitting, and oxidation. It also guards against foam and corrosion for extended component life. This full synthetic fluid delivers all-season performance. It's Polaris tested and engineering approved for all Polaris off-road 4-stroke engines. What we like. This full synthetic fluid is engineered for the demanding conditions of off-road vehicles. If you frequently push your ATV or UTV to its limits in varied temperatures, this offers robust protection for your gearcase and transmission. It's ideal for riders who need reliable performance in both hot and cold weather. What people say. The oil boasts a seamless consistency and delivers top-notch protection for the engine. This oil notably minimizes friction, leading to reduced noise and vibrations during engine operation. The synthetic formula is simply amazing. Number 3. Polaris AGL Full Synthetic Gearcase Lubricant. Introducing the Polaris AGL Full Synthetic Automatic Gearcase Lubricant. It's engineered to handle the extreme conditions your ATV or UTV faces. Our full synthetic formula offers superior cold flow protection and maintains its integrity under high heat. This ensures your critical components are always shielded. Experience reliable all-season performance and protection. It's designed to keep your vehicle's gearcases and transmissions running at peak efficiency, no matter the weather. This lubricant features a custom additive system specifically formulated to protect against wear, pitting, oxidation, and corrosion. It's Polaris tested and approved. Trust in its proven performance for all Polaris off-road 4-stroke engines. It delivers the protection you need for demanding adventures. What we like. This is the same great full synthetic fluid as the previous one, but in a convenient gallon size. If you own multiple Polaris off-road vehicles or perform frequent maintenance, this larger quantity offers better value. It's perfect for those who need to keep their Ranger or RZR transmissions running smoothly through all seasons. What people say. The oil boasts a seamless consistency and delivers top-notch protection for the engine. This oil notably minimizes friction, leading to reduced noise and vibrations during engine operation. The synthetic formula is simply amazing. Number 2. FloTool 10106B6 Spill Saver Trans Fluid and Gear Oil Filler. Tired of messy refills? Introducing the FloTool Spill Saver, designed for effortless fluid transfer. It makes topping up your vehicle simple and clean. It features a patented on-off spout for precise control. You can start and stop the flow instantly, preventing spills and waste. Enjoy adjustable flow settings to match your needs. This allows for a controlled and steady pour every time. The flexible clear tube provides excellent reach and visibility. Easily maneuver it into tight spaces and monitor the fluid level. Designed to fit most quart and gallon containers. This versatility ensures it works with the fluids you already use. Perfect for motor oil, transmission fluid, and gear oil. Keep your vehicle running smoothly with this essential tool. What we like. This is a universal fluid transfer tool designed for ease of use. If you're tired of messy refills and spills when changing transmission or gear oil, this product is for you. Its patented spout and flexible tube make it suitable for a wide range of containers and applications, ensuring a clean and controlled pour. What people say. The flexible spout and wide funnel design make it incredibly easy to pour oil, coolant, or other fluids into tight spots, like my car's engine or lawnmower's reservoir, without spilling a drop. The Spill Saver lip is a genius feature, catching any drips and keeping my workspace clean. This refill spout is sturdy and has a good solid shut-off feature. Number 1. Polaris AGL Extreme Full Synthetic Gearcase Lubricant. Introducing Polaris AGL Extreme, engineered for the most demanding environments. It provides ultimate protection in temperatures ranging from -45 degrees Fahrenheit to over 130 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring performance even in racing or heavy load situations. Our extreme powersports grade synthetic base oils deliver maximum performance. Experience superior wear protection, even in the most extreme conditions you can throw at it. Achieve ultimate performance with this advanced lubricant. It offers significantly cooler sump temperatures under extreme loads and improved fluidity in extreme cold. Enjoy better protection under load and heat, thanks to its superior viscosity. It also boasts enhanced film strength for reliable operation. This lubricant provides ultimate bearing and chain protection. It effectively reduces gear wear and hard shifting, even under extreme loads. Specifically designed for all Polaris off-road vehicle transmissions that recommend AGL. This includes your ATV, Ranger, RZR, and General. What we like. This is the ultimate protection for your Polaris transmission in the most extreme conditions. If you're a serious off-road enthusiast, a racer, or frequently operate in harsh environments with extreme temperatures, this fluid is engineered for you. It provides superior wear protection, cooler operating temperatures, and better fluidity in the cold. What people say. This fluid is specifically designed for Polaris ATVs and UTVs, ensuring proper lubrication and protection for the transmission system. It provides excellent wear protection and smooth shifting, even under demanding conditions, extending the life of the transmission. The fluid's advanced formula helps maintain optimal operating temperatures, preventing overheating and potential damage to transmission components. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.